sir, this Chicalim Joggers Park is under upgradation. Panchayat is helpless. They claim that they are helpless, so they are ready to hand over. What is your take on
If Panchayat is helpless in not maintaining the park and they say they have no funds, then I will take care of the maintenance through GSIDC itself, or I will make alternate arrangement in such a manner that the park does not suffer. Upgradation does not mean destroying what it is having. हिंगा कितें जाल्लें आसा तुवें पयलां आसतलें अर्दी प्लांट सुकून मेला, सेक्युरिटी सारकी ना, पंचायतीचेय सारकें ते म्हणटा ते फंड्स ना जाल्यार आतां एज इट इज दे हॅव हँडेड इट ओवर बॅक टू GSIDC फॉर फर्दर अपग्रेडेशन. So we will see which agency to appoint or hand it over so that it is maintained nicely with all proper security as well as proper maintenance of the existing facilities that are already there. Now, as far as Joggers Park is concerned, I want to make it self-sustaining. That's the reason we are spending, GSIDC is spending almost 10 crores to see that we add some facets to that, like an entertainment center, like a food court, like a e-library for the senior citizen, gym for the youth. Some of these things will generate revenue. With that revenue, we will be able to run the park. Now, I don't want to comment more on what the Sarpanch says. We have, that way the Chicalim Panchayat and the Sarpanch, we have worked for long periods together. Now, if he expresses his inability because of lack of funds not to maintain it, we will look after it from the GSIDC.